Hey everyone, it's JDM Drifter, and today I thought I'd make a new video showing the all-new Matchbox 50th Anniversary Superfast 1980 Porsche 911 Turbo. The reason I'm showing this is because I just found this yesterday at my local Walmart, and I have the real Superfast version of the Porsche 911 Turbo, as well as I have a variation of it made in another place. I also have some other brands that's made a Porsche 911 Turbo to compare this to. I also have a couple other different Matchbox series that are kind of similar to this year's 50th Anniversary Superfast set. Now, this is from Series 2 of the 50th Anniversary Superfast. I never found Series 1. I found one complete set of the Series 2 50th Anniversary Superfast. I only got the two cars that I really liked, which was the 1932 Ford pickup, as well as this 1980 Porsche 911 Turbo. The other models in the set were the Volkswagen Fastback, the Blue Shark, a green Camaro, and also, I'm sorry that I haven't been making a lot of videos recently. I'm going to, again, get back into doing more videos like this, a lot more comparison videos, custom videos, and even start showing some new sets that come out if I get the entire set. Also, maybe even some tutorials for customs in the future as well. So first, here's the card art. Definitely nice card art. I'm not sure who did the art for this series. There you can see some of the Porsche right there. And nothing on the back, besides it says the name, 50th Anniversary Superfast. So you get a collector's box with the car, and here is the car. Let's take it out of its plastic. All right. Wow, this is definitely nice. I can't really tell. I guess it's a dark, like in the box, it looks like a dark blue, and that's what I thought, but it's actually kind of like a candy-looking purple. Now, I will be getting a turntable soon, so stay tuned for that. This is definitely a very nice piece. I believe this is a 100% new casting for the Matchbox 50th Anniversary Superfast. Last year was Matchbox's 65th anniversary, and this is the 50th for the Superfast. And this is not just for Matchbox's anniversary. It's been 50 years ago from 2019 when they started doing Superfast, not just regular Matchbox Lesney series. And I've had some trouble opening some of the doors. These aren't the best opening doors ever. They're kind of hard to get open. And I noticed that the paint on the doors is a bit of a different shade than the rest of the car. And the doors appear to be metal and a tan interior, as well as a separate piece whale fin in the back. Also, headlight detail, there's the Porsche logo, 50th Superfast. I really like the retro stripes on the hood, as well as on the side where it says 911, and the taillights are detailed very nicely. These are around $5, and then there's also a $2 series of Matchbox opening parts. They do not come with collector's boxes or as nice of cards, and they do not have real riders. From what it appears, none of the $5 ones have a metal base, which is kind of disappointing, but still, these are very nicely detailed. With the $2 ones, you don't get the full detail anyhow. So it looks like we have some kind of wire-looking real riders, deep dished with a chrome lip or more of a metallic silver, and textured rubber tires. Very nice. Just regular clear windows. Definitely a very nice piece. Looks like there's a little bit of flashing around that window. I might try to clean that up. And here is the box you get. Not just the card art, but this time you get a side view of the Porsche. There is a few things I noticed they could have detailed. The lights down here, the turn signals, and some of the black on the vents on the side right there. The door handles could have been black, and it appears to be the seats are black on the box. So here is my 32 Ford pickup. as well from the $5 Superfast set. This is the only other one I picked up. And I didn't get any extras to save on the card. They did have one extra of each of these. But I didn't get any extras. I think these are meant to be opened. And that is the best use for these. So there's the box to the 32 Ford pickup. The Ford pickup is number 8 in the series. And then the Porsche is number 9. Here's the Ford pickup real quick. Opening doors as well, metal doors, detailed on the front and back. Chrome steelies, just regular black tires, and as well as a chrome base. The Porsche just has a grayish plastic base. I do like this one a lot. So now it's time to do some comparing to the old Superfast Porsche 911. So here it is. This is the silver, copyright 1978. So this is probably a 1978 Porsche, and this is a 80, so 2 years of difference. We have a metal base on this one. Just paint it like a grayish black color. So no metal base on this. Here's how the bases look. So a little bit flatter on the Superfast, and looks like a little bit wider as well. Also, this is the Made in England Lesney product edition of the Superfast one, number 3. Porsche Turbo, they just called it. They called this one the 1980 Porsche 911 Turbo. This should be around a 1978 Porsche 911 Turbo as well. If you look, they are about the same height. The Matchbox Superfast original is a little bit higher, and the wheels are a little bit bigger. It's got the classic Superfast, and this has the Real Riders on it. The doors do open on the original Superfast as well, as you can see. Also, the original Superfast had an outline for a sunroof. The new one does not. My windows are yellowed. I believe they were originally clear. And the seats are red on this one. This one is silver, just nice plain stock. And this paint also reminds me of kind of like a Spectra Flame, purplish blue color on the remake. So the whale fin on the original is actually metal made onto the body, and the new one is plastic separate piece. I kind of like that better on the new one. The original had a tow hitch. Not sure why. The new one doesn't, but I'm kind of glad it doesn't either. Also, the main little bumper pieces right there are longer on the original Lesney Superfast model. And here's the front. So, no license plate on the new one, a license plate on the original. And no taillight detail on the original or headlights. So that's a bit of a comparison from the Lesney Superfast version. But here's the same car, but this is when the England production was over for Matchbox. So these are made in Macau instead of England. Now, these appear to be almost identical castings. There are a few differences. It looks like the sunroof is not as got as much of a panel line on it. The little gas tank right here is no longer on this one. Also, the doors still do open on the Macau model. So that's pretty much it from the two. So here is the Macau model compared to the new Matchbox. So pretty much the same as the Made in England Superfast model. So here are the main two, the original and the new. But the original is just still really cool, with Matchbox adding the tow hitch to it. And the metal base, you know, the new one doesn't have the metal base. Definitely some nice pieces. I had to make this video. And here's this one. It says Boss on it, the Macau one. I'm not exactly sure. Was this some kind of racing Porsche or whatever? If you know anything about this one, let me know. Not too sure about that. But I have one more car I was going to compare it to, which is the Hot Wheels Porsche 934 Turbo RSR. Now, this is a 934, not a 911, but still, it's a turbo Porsche made by Mattel as well. So, you know, you can see that the bumper is completely different, as well as the 934 is wider. Both have the whale fins. And the Hot Wheel only has headlights and the Porsche logo, no taillights, but it does have a black lip around the wheel fin and just regular plastic wheels. So that's about it for this video. Stay tuned for some more videos in the future. I'll try to be uploading more often. Also, follow my Instagram. It's _JDM_drifter. Go give me a follow. I'd really appreciate it. And I have a couple other videos I'll be uploading soon of me comparing some new castings to old castings and that kind of stuff. So, like I said, stay tuned for more videos. Please comment on this video, like, and subscribe, and see you next time.